Welcome. In this video I am with the Redmi Note 12 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can take 50 megapixel photos. So to do this we have to simply open the camera application, and next we have to move from the standard modes to the more modes and open the 50 megapixel mode. Right now when it's turned on, we just have to take normal photo. Let's focus on this button. Click on the shutter and take a look for the preview. As you can see right here, we can find HD preview, so we are able to zoom in really close and we can spot a lot of details. For example, when we take a look right here on this arena. So that's how you can take 50 megapixel photos on your Redmi Note 12 Pro. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.